Hi, boys and girls. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about three-dimensional shapes. I don't think we went over this in school this year, but it's going to be a short little lesson just to give you a little taste of what they are. First thing, I'll explain the difference between a three-dimensional shape and a two-dimensional. This is a cube. All you can see is just the front, a couple of the sides. But when you can see like the top, the bottom, and all the other sides, that means it's three-dimensional. It's a three-dimensional shape because you can see all the sides. This is called a cube. If you look at it this way, it kind of just looks like a square, but when it's three-dimensional, it is a cube. And this you would call a ball. But when it's three-dimensional and you can see all of it, it's called a sphere. A sphere. But if you look at it on a picture, you might just say a circle. But when it's three-dimensional, the three-dimensional name is sphere. So listen up. Now this one is called a cylinder. Do you see it's round on the bottom and on the top? And it kind of looks like a can or something. But this is called a cylinder. And this is called a cone. A cone. Like if you had ice cream, it could be turned this way. This is called a cone. Now I'm going to show you some shapes, and I want you to, some objects, and I want you to tell me where they go. Are they a cube, a cylinder, a sphere, or a cone? Let's start with a ball. Where would that go? You're right. It is a sphere. It is a sphere. Get a couple more here. Okay, this is what they put out when they're working in the road or during construction. What is this called? A cone. And where would this go? Right here. That is a cone. This is a box. Where do you think this box would go? Look at the different ones. You're right, it's a cube. It is a cube. How about this pot that's kind of long and round on the top and the bottom? What do you think this shape, the 3D shape, what is that one? A cylinder. It is a cylinder. And these are blocks, square blocks. Where do you think they would go? A cube. They are cubes because you can see all the sides. Okay, this is a funnel. Called a funnel. And what shape is this one? A cone shape. It is a cone shape. Okay, this has Kleenexes in it. It's a little box. What do you think? Where do you think this one would go? You are right. It is a cube. Oh, this is a drum. It is round on the top and bottom. Where does this go? I heard someone say cylinder. It is a cylinder. Soup. Can of soup. Also round. Top and bottom. Where would this go? You are correct. It is also a cylinder. Oh, this is a dice. What shape is that? If you're looking at one side, it looks like a square, but what is a 3D shape called? A cube. You are correct. That goes there. This is a globe, called a globe. It's round on all sides, and it is called a sphere. Grab some more cards here. You guys are doing a great job. Oh, we just talked about this. Yummy. It is a cone. That is correct. We're going to put that one right here. This, and I'm sure y'all know this name brand, Coca-Cola, which we really shouldn't be drinking. Round on the top, round on the bottom. Whole thing is round. What is this called? A cylinder. That is correct. Not that we shouldn't be drinking, but you can have one occasionally. Okay, this is a Rubik's Cube. What shape is that? A cube. Absolutely, that's what that is. And here is an orange. Who can tell me? A sphere, that is correct. That goes here. This appears to be a glass of orange juice. What 3D shape is this? It is a cylinder. You are right. These are, I don't know if you can see them, but they're marbles. I used to love to play marbles when I was a little girl. We had some fun games. So where do you think these marbles would go, these round marbles? That is correct. They are a sphere. This is, it's called a megaphone. You hold it and yell for it. Cheerleaders use them at football games. What shape is this? Cone, that's correct. We have two more. This is a basketball. Sure y'all know where this one goes. It is a sphere. You are correct. And this is a party hat. What 3D shape is this? A cone. That is correct. We're going to put this right here. Cubes, cylinders, spheres, and cones. Y'all did a great job. And I'm sending you a little educational video about 3D shapes. So look for that. I love you.